Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chrono watch and ensuring battery health. A half charge prevents interruptions. Open the companion app and pair via Bluetooth. This links settings and enables updates. Once paired, set your time zone and language so sensors record accurate timestamps, and choose a simple watch face to test legibility. Make sure to grant permissions in the app for location and notifications. This lets features like activity logs and alerts function correctly as you proceed. Now configure sensors and feature settings so data is reliable. Calibrate heart rate and motion sensors by doing a brief walk or treadmill session because calibration improves accuracy. Once done, enable the activity modes you use: run, cycle, swim, and set realistic goals like distance or time to trigger tracking. Customize notifications and alarm behavior to avoid interruptions during workouts, and make sure Do Not Disturb windows match your sleep schedule so the watch. Complete the process by syncing your first activity to the cloud and confirming the upload. This verifies end-to-end functionality. Install any firmware updates and restart the watch to apply changes because updates often fix sensor or battery issues. If something goes wrong, like persistent pairing failures, reset the Bluetooth pairing first. That resolves most connection glitches without erasing data. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort, and back up settings in the app beforehand to speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.